Looking for the best electric multi-tool that won't let you down mid-project? Stick around as we rank the top contenders from worst to best. Some of these might just surprise you. Kicking off our list at the bottom spot is the budget-friendly GALAX Pro Oscillating tool. This is your classic no-frills option, small, simple, and very affordable. If you're new to DIY or just need something for occasional use, this might catch your eye. The GALAX Pro keeps things ultra basic with a 1.5 amp motor and a fixed speed of 22,000 oscillations per minute. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle in tight spaces. Plus, that long cord gives you a decent amount of reach, which is nice when working in larger areas. But that's pretty much it. Here's where it falls short. There's no variable speed, which means you're stuck with one pace for every task. The 3-degree oscillation angle is smaller than most, so it's not ideal for aggressive cutting. And yes, you'll need an Allen key to change blades, which can be a pain if you're switching tasks often. If you're a hobbyist or someone doing the occasional fix-it job around the house, this might work, but if you're planning regular or demanding work, you're gonna want to keep watching. By the way, links to all the tools featured in this review at the best prices are right down in the description. Next up is the Hammerhead multi-tool, an upgrade from the GALAX Pro, but still sitting on the lower tier of this list. It's a slight step up in performance with a better motor and some nice quality of life features that you'll appreciate. You get a 2.2 amp motor, soft start, and variable speed control. That means you can dial in exactly the power you need, whether you're sanding, cutting, or scraping. The built-in LED light is a real bonus if you're working under cabinets or in dimly lit spaces. It's a solid tool that feels a bit more refined than our previous pick. But again, there are limitations. It still has a small 2.8 degree oscillation angle, which won't cut as fast as others. And there's no tool-free blade change. You'll need that hex wrench every time. It also lacks a full accessory kit, which means more out of pocket if you want to use it right away. This one's better suited for casual users who want a bit more control and convenience. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more reviews like this. Now we're getting into more serious territory. The AVID Power multi-tool comes in strong with a powerful 3.5 amp motor and a large 4.5 degree oscillation angle, the biggest on this list. That means faster cuts and better efficiency, whether you're slicing through wood, metal, or drywall. It's got variable speed settings, a universal accessory port, and thank the DIY gods, a tool-free blade change system. You also get a solid set of accessories right out of the box, which makes it plug and play for most users. The auxiliary handle is a nice touch, giving you more stability on tougher cuts. What's missing? Well, it's still corded, which limits portability a bit. And while that motor is strong, it doesn't feel quite as refined or smooth as the premium brands we'll get to in a second. This one's perfect for homeowners or semi-regular users who want great performance without breaking the bank. It hits a nice sweet spot between power and price. Next up, if cordless freedom is a priority, this Greenworks tool is going to be right up your alley. It's powered by a 24-volt brushless motor and delivers great control, solid battery life, and one of the lightest designs in this review. You get 6-speed settings, tool-free blade changes, a built-in LED light, and that sweet brushless power efficiency. It's easy to maneuver, doesn't weigh much, and it's great for small jobs or quick touch-ups around the house. No cords, no fuss. The catch: battery life. While it performs well, heavy-duty users might find the runtime limiting, about 20 minutes per charge on average with a 2.0 amp-hour battery. And if you're doing bigger projects, stopping to recharge will get annoying fast. That said, for mobility and ease of use, this is one of the best cordless options you can grab today. It's ideal for lighter users, renters, or anyone who values convenience over non-stop power. And finally, our top pick. DEWALT comes in hot with this feature-rich multi-tool kit that's built for pros and serious DIYers alike. From its smooth, powerful motor to its premium accessories and thoughtful design, this is the tool that sets the bar. You get a strong 3.0 amp motor, wide speed range, dual grip variable speed trigger, and DEWALT's quick change system that lets you swap blades in seconds. There's also an LED light and a depth/height guide that helps make every cut consistent and clean. Plus, it comes with a generous 29-piece accessory kit, ready to roll out of the box. It's not without flaws. The 1.6-degree oscillation angle is the smallest here, which might slow down aggressive cuts, and there's no vibration control, which could get a little tiring on longer jobs. Still, this is a high-performance tool with all the bells and whistles. Whether you're remodeling a kitchen, trimming flooring, or cutting outlet holes, this tool can handle it all. It's our #1 for a reason. If you want a tool that keeps up with your projects, check out the top picks using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. We've got more hands-on reviews coming your way.